Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into how to use Zoho Project for performance appraisal management. To kick things off, we'll need to create a project in Zoho. This is as simple as clicking the plus sign on your dashboard and filling in your project details. The reason we do this is to set the foundation for your performance appraisal management. This will be the hub where all your appraisal-related activities will take place. Now that we've done that, next up is setting up roles and responsibilities. Zoho allows you to assign roles to each member of your team. This helps us because it allows you to clarify what is expected from each team member in your project, and this clarity is essential for fair and accurate appraisals. Next, we need to create tasks. This is achieved by clicking on the Add Task button and filling in the task details. Assign each task to a team member. This step is crucial because it allows you to track individual contributions and progress, which is vital data for performance appraisals. Let me explain why this matters. By monitoring your team's task completion rates and quality, you can evaluate their performance accurately. Zoho even offers a Gantt chart view to visualize your project timeline and individual task progress. The next step involves using the timesheet feature. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. A timesheet records the amount of time an employee has spent on a particular task. This feature helps you assess productivity levels and the efficient use of time, both critical measures in performance appraisal. Finally, it's time for appraisal. Based on the data collected, you can now evaluate your team's performance. Zoho has a feedback feature where you can provide constructive feedback for each team member. This is the final yet most important step, as it's where you communicate your appraisal results. And there you have it, a concise guide on how to leverage Zoho Project for performance appraisal management. Remember, the key is to continuously monitor and evaluate performance, and use this information to guide your team's growth and development. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next one.